Barcelona, the capital and largest city of the autonomous community of Catalonia. This city is a mosaic of culture and creativity, where the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia church and other architectural wonders designed by Antoni Gaudi dot the skyline. With so much to explore, let's not delay any further. Let the adventure begin. Our first day takes us to the beating heart of Barcelona. Every city prides itself on its main square, and for Barcelona, that square is Plaça de Catalunya, a central hub that attracts both locals and tourists. Plaça de Catalunya is one of the largest open spaces in Barcelona and hosts a wide array of events. From here, we stroll down the iconic La Rambla, Barcelona's most emblematic boulevard, that runs from Plaça de Catalunya to Port Güell. The lively atmosphere of the historic La Boqueria market makes it a must visit. You will find here foods of all varieties under one roof, a real feast for the senses with a splash of color at every turn. Unfortunately, it was closed during our visit due to the National Labor Day. But no worries, in Barcelona you always have something to do, so let's keep exploring. Heading towards the sea, at the end of La Rambla, we arrive at the striking Columbus Monument. This monument, built in honor of Columbus's first voyage to the Americas, depicts Columbus pointing towards the New World and leads us to Port Güell, the old harbor. Our path then takes us along Rambla de Mar, a moving walkway which allows boats to enter the inner harbor. This scenic route brings us to the Mare Magnum shopping center and the aquarium. From here, if you are looking for a place to relax, Barceloneta Beach is the perfect destination. This is the most famous beach in the city and offers the perfect combination of sun, sea, and leisure at just a short walk from the city center. Wrapping up our day, we have one more place to explore, the labyrinth of the Gothic Quarter, the historic heart of the city. Its medieval network of narrow streets and hidden squares charms both locals and tourists. Here we admire the impressive Cathedral of Barcelona, traverse the iconic El Pont del Bisbe, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of Plaça Real. Day 2 takes us to new heights as we ascend Montjuïc, a hill overlooking the city. But first, let's begin our day with Plaça d'Espanya, one of Barcelona's most important squares. This huge circular plaza is the intersection of Barcelona's major thoroughfares, and it is easily recognizable by its many notable architectural landmarks, like the twin Venetian towers and the monumental fountain. Our next stop is the enchanting magic fountain of Montjuïc, where water dances to the rhythm of music and light. Unfortunately, the magic fountain show has been suspended, but a visit to this area is still highly recommended. From here, we climb to the historic Montjuïc Castle, an old military fortress located at the top of the Montjuïc mountain. You can get there on foot, by bike, or if you want to make your journey a little easier, you can take the cable car or the bus. At the top, you will be delighted with panoramic views of Barcelona's skyline. On Montjuïc, you can also find Barcelona's Olympic Park and several museums. For those seeking a green oasis to relax, the Barcelona Botanical Garden and the Jardí Botanique Historique await you. These serene gardens offer a peaceful retreat amidst the city's hustle and bustle. With so many attractions to enjoy on this hill, take your time to explore and relax. Our final day in Barcelona is dedicated to the architectural marvels of Antoni Gaudi, a visionary whose creations redefine the boundaries of imagination. We start our Gaudi tour with Casa Batlló, an iconic building renowned for its whimsical design and colorful facade. The roof itself is a marvel, resembling the undulated back of a dragon. Often referred to as the House of Bones due to its skeletal-like structure, Casa Batlló showcases Gaudi's innovative use of light, color, and form. Next on our list is Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera. This building is famous for its undulating stone facade and unique rooftop chimneys. The organic forms and innovative design elements make it a standout piece of architecture. Our journey continues to Gaudi's most ambitious project, La Sagrada Familia. This colossal basilica, still under construction, is a symbol of Gaudi's devotion and creativity. Expected to be completed in 2026, 100 years after Gaudi's death, it will be the world's tallest church. The intricate details and towering spires leave visitors in awe, making it a must-see in Barcelona. We wrap up our Gaudi exploration with a visit to Park Güell, a colorful public park designed by Gaudi. This park is adorned with colorful mosaics, nature-inspired architecture, and offers panoramic views of the city. It's the perfect place to experience Gaudi's playful side and enjoy the beauty of nature intertwined with art. Our 3-day adventure in Barcelona has taken us from the bustling heart of the city to the serene heights of Montjuïc and into the imaginative world of Antoni Gaudi. We hope you feel inspired to explore Barcelona yourself. If you enjoyed our video, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure through Barcelona. Until next time, happy travels and see you in the next adventure!